Padas ko mamati ang trip ito ay Wodonga! Hey, look at that! Look at that! Etamoga Pub. Wow! Oh! there's a car at the top. What's that? Yeah. Wow. Nag-cute man day tani. Ang dalugan na niya nga to. Oh. Yeah. Guys, pasyal ko kayo dito sa may ano tawag nito sa hotel na to? Kalimutan ko na. Sinabi ko to kanina. Dali lang. Basahin ko. It's Etamoga Pub. Tignan nyo guys. Ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. Tapos meron pa ditong tignan nyo doon. Merong nag-crash na airplane. may nag-crash na airplane dito. Oh. Tignan nyo guys. Yan. The airplane has been crashed here. Nag-crash dito, di ba? Oh, akala ko nag-crash yung kabel damot lagayan. Sorry guys, nilagay lang daw pala nila to. They just put this one. I thought the airplane crashed in here because look at that. But it's not. They just put it there.
Very cool. Style.
That's for a style, I think. Ayan, ang ganda. Cute.
Yuwin mo tayo ni Mami.
Tapos ito yung pub. Ang ganda guys. Timber po siya. Tapos pasyal ko kayo dito sa likod.
Tapos dito style lang eh. Pub house.
Oo nga, ang ganda oh. Ang ganda ng style ng pub. Yan, let's go around. Sobrang ganda. Tignan nyo naman yung guys, oh, yung tree. Patay na yung tree pero binakuran nila ng ganyan.
Nasa ibog. Look my
What does it say?
Oh,
bird.
there is a bird inside. May
Is that
cockies will bites your finger. Oh, there are cockatoos. They're cockatoos. Oh, there's a bird there.
hello?
Madami yan sa Euroa. We had a lot in the yard. They always go in there. Pag hapon.
May baliktad dito pinagtubo. Ba't ang liit mo?
Ba't ang liit ko? Bakit ang liit ko daw? Altak. Angkad na. Ba't ang liit mo ko na ni Jasmine? Ito po yung kapatid ko dito sa may Wodonga. Ayan. Pinapasyal niya ako around dito sa Wodonga kasi we are going home to the Philippines soon. Kaya ayan, sinusulit na namin yung aming bakasyon. Ayan, meron pa kaming natitirang isang buwan pero ang flight namin is this month. Pwede kayang mag-extend na lang pala. Another 1 month.
Yung pala next time birthday ni Mato.
Yeah, birthday ni Matthew. Baka ni Dadin to extend na.
How about my school there?
Your school is alright.
3 months na lang. End school
What
year
are
na. doing?
Diba guys?
Is the pub closed? Can we go upstairs? No. Naka-close ba? Hintay, kita, Angelic. Tignan. What are you doing? Ni Macho ni.
Tinitigan ko. Tinitigan ko. Look.
Sugarod. O, tignan nyo yung pub. Baba ako konti. Para makita nyo guys yung ganda ng pub. Yan. Sobrang ganda. Hopefully, I can come back to Australia within 6 months. Yan. Pagbalik namin sa Australia, ipaprocess ko ulit yung aming visa papunta dito pabalik. Tignan mo naman, tignan nyo yung pop. Sobrang ganda. It's Etamagu Pop. Ayan, may mga kainan pa doon, restaurant, bar and grill. Pasyalan natin. Let's look around. Sobrang ganda. Mainit siya guys, pero okay lang. Sanay naman na ako kasi maitim naman na ako. So, I'm good. Yan. Sobrang ganda. What the view. Then, I'm going back to my sister na. Woo! Ang init! Sobrang init. Sobrang ganda. Yeah. Pasok ko dyan mamaya. Gala muna ako dito sa labas. Ayan yung aking anak saka yung kapatid saka aking pamangkin. They're taking pictures. Pa-picture nga din. Busy sila nagpi-picture. Yan. 1, 2, 3, click! Yan, yung aming photographer. Saka taga-edit ng aking YouTube. Yung aking YouTube.
What is grave? Right.
Yan.
Yeah.
Why? Right there.
That's not a grave? Is that a grave? What's that?
Statue.
A statue, what's that?
What is this one here?
Roxy Axel. Hindi wow.
Tinitigan ko. Tinitigan ko. Tinitigan ko. Tinitigan ko.
Ko na. Tapos,
Why is it riding up there?
Mate, look, mommy.
Why is it riding up there?
Oi, look.
Mommy, it's the one that's riding up there.
That's Joey. No, some people draw with them. Come on, look, mommy.
Jamie.
Okay.
Smile.
oh, is that a koala? Is that a koala hanging out there? Is that a koala? Oh! Si ka mo, Jasmine. Koala ka mo.
Kaya jamat, picture kayo ng talaw.
Koala. Koala Jasmine.